Hi guys! Today we're making this cute miniature fridge. I went for a cute retro-like look, but you can customize it however you want. The stove is from a previous video which I'll link you to below. For the inside of the fridge I'll be using some thin wood. Mine is white on one side, but that is not necessary, and I use my small saw to cut out the pieces. Use a file to smooth out any edges before gluing it together. Be sure to use a water-based glue since this will be going in the oven later. We're basically making a rectangular cupboard with a one shelf inside. Once all the glue has dried, get out your polymer clay, roll it out flat, and then use some liquid clay to stick it around the fridge. I found it easier to cover one side at a time and cut away the excess. Once you cover the sides, you can bake it according to package instructions. After cooling, smooth out the surface with a file. Then trace the shape of the fridge onto a piece of paper to make a stencil for the doors. Cut the pieces out of polymer clay and then round off the edges. Once you've got both doors ready, bake them completely. Now we're gonna make room for the hinges. I'll be using these miniature doll hinges I found on eBay by simply searching that. Figure out where you need the hinges to sit on the top door before gently carving away the material to make room. When that's done, put the hinges aside for now since we'll be adding them a little later. Next, get out some thick cardstock. Cut 4 pieces of this to make the freezer drawer. Glue the pieces together before gluing them to the freezer door. For the inside of the top door, cut a piece of cardstock that fits inside the fridge. Then glue on different sizes of strips to create the shelves themselves. Once dry, get out some white acrylic paint and paint the pieces as well as the inside of the fridge itself for an even color. Cut 3 pieces to be the inner shelves and paint these white as well. Glue them in place inside the fridge. Glue the inside of the door in place and then the hinges. For the handles, I cut out these simple shapes from some scrap clay, baked them completely and then painted them with silver alcohol ink. I also used the ink to make details on the doors as well as on the side of the fridge. Glue on the handles and the top door. Then glaze both the inside and the outside of the fridge. I did many but thin coats on the outside to get it to a good shine. Let it dry thoroughly, and then our little fridge is done. You can change up the design and color to fit whatever style you want. As said, I went for this cute retro style because I want to build a little retro kitchen. So now you're ready to fill your fridge with whatever little goodies you want. I filled mine with some milk cartons and also some miniature food from previous videos. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it to let me know, and I'll see you guys in a new one real soon. Bye!